നമസ്കാരം. आम्ही आता शेंचे चढ व्हिडिओज केले नसं ते सगळं तुम्ही व्ह्यू करून തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും तुमगेला अभिप्राय सगळं घाल का मी रांदूचे सगळं व्हिडिओज काढता ते सगळं लायक करून येल्पूतू एडिट करून घालता त्यावेळी आम्ही आमकां जालें सपोर्ट तुम्ही दिला तर आमकां आनी व्हिडिओज करू असेल प्रेरणा मेळटली त्यावेळी तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी लायक करका तुमगे फ्रेंड्स आली शेअर करका सब्सक्राइब करूक सांगू काय
Bhende Sassam. This dish is so tasty and is liked by all irrespective of age. We can even use the more mature fibrous lady's finger which is usually thrown away. You can find the KKAJ blog recipe of my friend and co-author Jayasree Shanai in the description below. So here are some lady's fingers washed and wiped dry. Cut into slightly thick rounds like this. When you have chopped them all, sprinkle a little salt, toss well, and leave to marinate. Now get some urad powder. Take about 2 tablespoons in a bowl. Also take about 4 tablespoons of rice powder. Mix urad dal flour and rice flour in the ratio of 1:2 and keep aside. Now you can see the bhende pieces have let out water. Now to add the pieces to the flour, a few at a time so that they get fully covered with the flour. You can use the leftover flour for other veggies too, like bitter gourd, chervli, etc. Now, after removing the excess flour, we can deep fry the bhende pieces. Remove when they turn golden brown. Take about 1 cup of grated coconut in a mixer jar. Add 2 red chilies and grind to a smooth paste, adding buttermilk. Transfer to a bowl. You may also add curds instead of buttermilk and then dilute to this consistency. Add only little salt. Remember, we have already salted the bhende. Now to prepare the seasoning, splatter mustard seeds in a little oil, then add a little jeera and curry leaves. Pour this over the sassam. Add a little of the fried bhendes and mix well. Remember, there is no need to heat this dish. Add the rest of the fries just before serving with rice. Enjoy a hearty meal. As always, like, share and subscribe.